You would think with that many clouds that it would rain, but no. Just pumps up the humidity, makes the day muggy, and even though it's not 39 degrees today, it might as well be because I'm sweating like a freaking mofo again. How you going, guys? How's your day? Oh my god. We're at the doctor's at the moment. Don't worry, nothing's wrong with any of us. We're just picking up a script for Anus. Holy shit, it's hot. Picking up a script for Anus and then gotta go see my grandfather. Forgot to mention yesterday what happened. Rare spore parasite thing while he was out in the garden yesterday. It's called Christmas eye. I'll put a link down below in the description if you want to read about it on Wikipedia. It's basically super just amazingly rare. And what happens is if the spore comes in contact with your eye, it's sort of like, if you're squeamish, don't listen to this. If you it comes in contact with your eye and sort of like burrows around the back and then starts burrowing forwards. Basically on the page that I was reading about it, it says the pain is worse than childbirth. It said the pain threshold out of a 10 is a 9. That's how drastic it is. So yeah, basically he was screaming in pain. Nana had to race him over to the hospital's emergency room. And yeah, that's an eye specialist, the whole works. And the eye specialist says in all his years of doing it, it's this rare that he's only ever seen it twice. Once from somebody else and once from Granddad. So how freaking ridiculous is that? So anyway, he has to be in darkness for nearly 2 weeks. So I bought him an eye patch and all that other stuff yesterday. Yeah, so his right eye, he has to keep it in pure darkness, all swollen and everything. He can't get it wet, so he can't even get relief from like swimming in their pool or anything like that. They had to put like a big contact lens over the front of his eye because the thing was in there long enough to take off the top film of his eye. I told you if you were squeamish, you didn't want to watch this. So yeah, we're going to go around and see him. I bought him a present. These little marshmallow snowballs. They're like his favourite thing ever, so... yeah, poor guy. Freaking ridiculous. So I'm going to go see how he is and... yeah, hopefully he's not in super amount of pain. You hate it when you see family members in that amount of pain. There's nothing you can do about it. But yeah. You right? Did you get it? Let's go. It's amazing the level of aftercare support that the hospital has given with Anus since she's come home. You know the troubles that she had when she was there, specifically the birth date and everything else. Since she's been home, she's had 4 visits so far from 4 different types of midwives. 2 for checkups. There's one in there right now doing the heel prick test and just taking blood to make sure baby's okay. 1 for booby lactation things and 1 for something else. Then she's got another appointment on the 4th of December and yeah. So all that crap that they put her through before she gave birth, I think they're making up for it now after the fact. So I'd like to say too little too late, but it's actually stuff that she needs to know, and it's good to know that the hospital actually give a shit.
We're going to cut off her little hospital name tag ankle band things. We sort of forgot to do it yesterday, so... wait, we're going to face what she is. Okay. She has 2, 1 on each leg. She's free, yay! No longer a hospital prisoner. She looks like Bam Bam from the Flintstones with that thing on her belly. Except Bam Bam's in her head. I know. Look at her though. Look how different her face is from the first day. She's so beautiful. She likes that pose with her arms out like that and her feet scrunched up. Yeah, she wants to give tickets to the gun show, Tannah said. Jeez. It's so hot here. It's, how hot is it today? 40 degrees. 40 degrees in here. Celsius. In here today. I'm sure that it's snowing somewhere over the world. Yeah. That time here. And so she's just in a little singlet. And Little nappy. And she's meant to be feeding, but she's sleeping. I don't mind.
Say hello to baby Hiccups. Ready? God, the light in here is shit. Can't see a damn thing.
Put the blind over here.
Oh. Let me show you a bit of goodness. I haven't cooked a proper meal in a couple of weeks, months, something like that, because Anus got reflux every time, so I didn't want to make something good because she couldn't eat it. But now, oh yes, the king is back. Cheesy meatballs. That is so brilliant, it warrants a bell ding. Hello?
I haven't heard that bell for a while.
It was deserving. Oh yeah. Oh, don't drop balls. Seriously. Hold on, I'll show you what I'm on about here. Look. Cheeks.